Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? I hope you had a wonderful and blessed Christmas. I hope you enjoyed it with family and got what you want to get. But me, I'm at the stage where I've been at this stage where I just love watching kids opening up, Christmas gifts. Later for you grown folk. All right, listen. We got a lot to talk about. As usual, we're going to get right into it. I'm going to just make this one straight and to the point. All right. For those of you that have downloaded Moomoo, make sure, and those of you that have not, this will be the second link below. Make sure you can get up to 15 free stock, plus you can get 5.1% on your money, but it must be funded when? Today. All right. We are in the Santa Claus rally, and Santa Claus came early, and it's working. The Santa Claus rally is working. Okay. And also too, I'll get to that later. You guys know that this is brought to you by Stock Up You tonight. The price will be going up tonight, but you can still get it at today's prices. I am simply going to give a coupon code that will reflect the price that you see right now. All right. So the coupon code will go tonight. I think my team told me 11 o'clock Eastern time. 12 o'clock. 11 o'clock Eastern time. That's New York time. So you will see a coupon code. I believe it's going to be Stock Up 2023, meaning that you can get it at 2023 pricing. All right, let's get right into it. So I just want to talk about a few things. Let's go right here. Listen, the S&P is at 4770, right? We could hit 4800, which some of the bullish analysts, including Tom Lee, said we could end. Look, we are right here, 4771. It is crazy, right? Then the Dow is up double digits, right? The NASDAQ is up. At the time of shooting this, of course, anything could happen, but the Santa Claus rally has begun last week, and will continue until the next 2 trading days, all right? The next 2 trading days of 2024. All right, January 2024. I got a few notes here that I'm going to rip off. I always like to write while I think, but it's going to help you guys, and then I'm going to share with you a short portfolio. I wrote down we could expect the S&P to break 4,800, and there we are at 4772. If we break 4,800 intraday, midday, or especially if we close 4,800. Hey, we're knocking the ball out of the park. All right. So I also wrote down, I expect that there will be a negative news story regarding crypto. I'm going to get to that one later. Right. The market has priced in already 6 interest rate cuts. 6. The market has priced in for 2024, meaning everything has to be perfect with this market priced the way it is, right? The market is frothy, and that's why I'm making this video today, right? The market has priced for perfection. There is no room for any negative catalyst. Now, that's risky. So I expect a pullback in Q3, quarter 3 of 2024. Q1 of 2024. Q1, let's get that right, of 2024, meaning it could happen as early as January. So January, February, March. Now, I'm not saying it is positively going to happen. I'm saying that I'm expecting some sort of pullback or cool off, right? Some people may, just start panic and say, hey, it's the recession is here. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but the market has been running. Now, I believe, are going to close the year up positively, 2024, but it's not going to be a straight line up. There is going to be some bumpy roads ahead, right? So let's look at what else I got pulled up here. All right. So yeah, we talked about the S&P at 4,800. So I want to quickly talk about this portfolio. So these are some of the stock that I said I believe in the crypto mining space. These are undervalued, right? So we know that they are pulling back a little bit. Bitcoin, last I checked, had cooled off, but by the time you check it, it could run back up. But these are the ones. This is the third portfolio. This is my buy the rumor, sell the news portfolio. So even today, with a lot of the Bitcoin mining companies down, these are up. Is that right? Look at that. Look at that, good people. Cypher is up. Cypher mining is up 10%, right? Is that the warrants? Cypher Mining Inc. Yeah, and then Cypher Mining. So I got the warrants. These are the warrants. The warrants are up 8%, but the stock is up 10%. All right. This is a new one that I want you guys to add to your portfolios. Those of you that don't know it. Core Scientific, right? So now, let me say this. I don't want you to add it to your portfolio. I want you to add it to your watch list. Why? Because they are coming out of bankruptcy. Core Scientific, ticker symbol CORZQ. It's also, now it's a OTC, all right, over the counter, right? So you will probably have to go to a legacy broker like Fidelity to get it. You probably won't be able to get it on, Webull, Moomoo, Robinhood, but you probably have to get it on Fidelity, Schwab, one of those, right? So now remember, I'm not going in heavy because it's a penny stock. Don't get it twisted. It is a penny stock. Penny stock carry great risk. And this one carry even more risk. Why? Because it's coming out of bankruptcy. So let's look at this one. Core Scientific. Core Scientific, this was 4 hours ago. Core Scientific reaches agreement on global settlement of Chapter 11 bankruptcy case, okay? So you could see, you can read this for yourself, read all of the details. I'm not going to go into it. You listen, this is not the time to be gambling, and this is not the time to give up your gains. That's another reason why I'm making this video today. I wasn't going to make a video today, right? So I'm going to jump around. I have been buying. Remember, for those of you, I mentioned it that I was going to start buying about 2 months ago. I just been buying a little bit of Hawaiian Electric. I haven't entered into any option plays or anything like that. But I mentioned in the Discord that about a month or 2 months ago that I was buying a little bit. Okay, so as it stands right now in the last month, Hawaiian Electric is up 12%. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. So I just been DCAing into Hawaiian Electric for those of you that are in that play. Now, I'm not going in heavy. Like I said, I expect that there's going to be a pullback. I don't expect Hawaiian Electric to pull back as much as the market might. Now, the market may not pull back, right? I'll be happy with that. I don't know about you, but I'll be happy with that. Okay, so where are we on time? All right, I wanted to make this one around 10 minutes. Okay, so here's what I'm making this one today. I want you guys, like my last video, all right? I'm gonna leave that video up in this box. No, I'm not. I want you guys to consider taking some profits. And here's what I want to talk about profits. This is what I don't want you to get caught up in. So I could say, hey, I'm taking profits. I can be up 300% and I could take profits, right? Especially in crypto. And I'll take profits, and then some kid that just got into crypto like 5 days ago could say, oh, see, you don't know what you're talking about. You should have held. You should have hodled. Blah, 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 blah. Listen, don't listen to that foolishness, all right? Listen to people that know what they're talking about. Never apologize for taking profits. I don't care if it goes up 600% after I take profits. When you take profits, you lock in, okay? I can tell you right now, the people that are talking, you and I, we've gained more. But the reality is they have lost more times than you have gained by not taking profits. They're blowing their accounts up, and then just by luck, they happen to gamble again and hold, and they're going to make you feel bad. Nobody's talking to y'all like this. I'm just keeping it straight. take profits. That doesn't mean that you have to sell everything. It just means that you could sell 10%, 25%. You could sell a third, you could sell half, or you could sell all, right? So there's going to be low trading volume this week, myself included. We're looking at tax loss harvesting, okay? Though I don't have a lot of losses. I didn't have any. I had to look real hard for some losses, okay? And that's not braggadocious. It's just that I remain mostly cash, for those of you that know. And I was mostly in the options, so in, out, okay? So I want you guys to look over your portfolio from now until the end of the year, and I want you to take what really smart people do is they take a hit on some of their losses to offset their gains. So look for your red stock, okay? But with these, we don't want to give up our gains. I know it's not one size fit all. I don't want to give up my gains, right? So what I'm going to do, if I were you, I would look at things where they are. There's some other things I wanted to show you guys, all right? I want to show you guys this. I always try to keep things down, but I can't. I just got so much I want to share with you guys. I want to show you guys this, okay? So, dollar cost averaging, it works, good people. And if you in the right stock, it really works, okay? All right, let's see. Why isn't it showing? Okay, hooked up the wrong cord. Let's see. Sorry about that. Not editing that out. There we go. And boom. There we go. So as we could see here, nope, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, that is. All right. So we could see I've been DCAing into ARK. As we can see, I'm up 31% on ARK. Why? Because of AI and because ARK, the fund, it's risky. It's high risk. And Cathie Woods, yeah, she switches a lot. But I like the fact that she's future thinking. And then VOO Vanguard at right now, as we talk, up 10%. Now, that's good for the S&P 500, but I will tell you that in my bigger portfolio, I'm up more than 10%, okay? And a lot of you are too. So DCA, dollar cost averaging, does work. I want to keep you guys up to what's going on, but I also want to help to make you guys a little money. So let's recap. We want to go over CRZT. I'm sorry, I want you guys to put that on your watch list. Why? Because they're coming out of bankruptcy and they can really, really take off. If that's a big if crypto takes off. All right. This is, you know what? There was another one. Hive should be in here too. All right. This is the last portfolio that I made at the end of last week. That this portfolio, I am going to buy the rumor, sell the news, meaning that I'm going to buy the rumor that something's going to happen and I'm going to sell it before the news. So I will be selling, win or loss, this portfolio before January 10th, when the SEC could deny or confirm a spot Bitcoin ETF, right? And here's the last thing I want to show you guys. All right, listen. Stock Up You tonight. You will see the price go up, but you will see a discount code, okay? And for those of you that don't know what's in it, here we're teaching you charting beginners. We're teaching you options for beginners, and we're teaching you the overall stock market, dividend and investment basics. And starting tonight, you will start to see some new classes talking about crypto. I'm doing a whole chapter on crypto, okay? Starting tonight. But you will see the price go up, but there will be a coupon code. I plan on making it, I believe my team is going to make it Stock Up 2023. So 2023, okay? That will be tonight. And so I don't want somebody to say, hey, I didn't see it. I'm letting you guys know right now. And we're going to hold that coupon code that will reflect the price that you see now. We're going to hold that coupon code until the end of the year, right? All right, good people. We're going to leave it right there. I didn't plan on making a video today. I got to go see the accountant and all of that. You guys know how that is. Caesar wants his money, and we got to give Caesar due what Caesar's due. All right. I hope you guys have a blessed one. We may see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.